coffee mixer.
Just hold on to it and I'm going to see. That's the way it was. The light was coming on and off. That's how he's doing right now.
Doing fine.
That's what I was doing before.
Okay, you test. Let's skate. Hey, 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 sugar. I got little feathers all over me. Sugar. Don't take the screws out. No. Hey, come on. No. Don't take the screws out. No. You can run it around the floor, but you can't take the screws out. Is that for Mama? Don't take the screws out. Yeah, that's funny, isn't it? She makes the wheel go round and round. She's got her tongue going. She's just got that wheel just spinning.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get on it. Can you put a foot on there? That's a good girl. Okay, now Mama will just pull you around on there. How's that? Is that fun? Yeah, maybe we just need to do one at a time. Daddy Bird likes to take pictures of you riding on your skate. Not so much fun for me, but wheels just don't turn that well. Okay, if I get the other one, will you put your other foot up? Thank you. Hey, sugar. We didn't even get the roll over, did we? Can you roll over? Can you roll over? Roll over. Roll over. Come on, roll over. Come here. Come on. Hey. Sugar. Bring it to me. Come here. Come here. Big thing for me? Okay, here. Now, can you roll over? Huh? Can you roll over for me? Good girl. Yeah. Good sugar. Yay. Now, how about some roller skating? Sugar. Put one foot on one and one on the other. One there, one there. There you go. Nobody said this was going to be easy. Who's that?
Sounds familiar.
Who's it? Who's it? You crazy thing. Who's it? Huh? Who's it? Pretty bird sugar, that's right.
Oh, sugar.
Huh? Is that Bill? Here. Now can you get on the roller skates? I'm holding them. Nope. I'm in control. You get your feet on there. Sugar.
Hi, sugar.
Sugar.
Hello.
Hi, sugar.
Hi. Hello. Hello.
Feet on. 1 foot, second foot. 1 foot, second foot. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay? Okay. Turn around. Turn around. Here you go. Put the other foot on. Put the other foot on. Here you go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. What you doing? Come on, this one's next. If you put both feet on one, it doesn't work. She was so crazy. She wouldn't even settle down. She was all over with both of them. Try to take the screws out of them. Hey, I know they're nearly indestructible, but they never met you. Hey. Put your foot on. Hey, put your foot on there. That's right. Put your foot on there. Now put the other foot on. Good girl. Good girl. Yay. 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 That's going to be worth something in my face. Okay, put your other foot over here. Put your foot over here. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Show Bill how you do this. Okay, ready? Huh? Okay. One foot. You gotta put your foot down. 2 feet. 1, 2. 1, 2. Turn around. Well, you don't have to get off and turn around.
I think so.
Okay, so put your feet on. Come on, can you put your feet on? Put your feet on. Come on, pick up the foot. Put it on here. Now pick up the other foot. That's right. Very good. Look at that. That's good. That's good. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Very nice. Look at her. Look at her. She's a good girl. Okay, now you can run it around like a little car. But don't take the screws out. You can go ahead and turn it off. Just press the big button again.